Hi guys, so today we're going to try some food at a Brazilian restaurant that we went here our last Florida trip. So we're going to try some more of the food. And here's me just showing you guys the food they had. And then here are my siblings at the restaurant with me. So the first food I tried was coxinha, and I got it last time I came here. And this next food I'm trying is called pão de queijo. And afterward, we went to Disney Springs a little bit later in the day. And before we got in the parking lot, I just showed you guys some of the outside that I thought was pretty. And we walked to Disney Springs and we finally made it. At the end of this day, we got dinner at a Brazilian pizza restaurant.
Don't drink my water. 20 seconds left.
Basically, that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe down below. And anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!